the sky turned gray. Found myself on this quiet trail. Every drop that hits my face washes worry clean away. Can you hear it too? Why does everything feel right when the world gets wet and wild? Leaves are dancing overhead. Puddles form beneath my feet. Cool air fills my lungs instead of the heat from city streets. Can you feel it too? Why does everything feel right when the world gets wet and wild?
Started walking when my head got heavy with the weight of all my plans. Now I'm standing in this clearing where the trees reach out like hands. Every raindrop is a message that I'm learning how to read, saying slow down, take a breath and give your restless heart what it needs. Mud between my toes and mist around my shoulders like a friend. Sometimes answers come in weather that we never plan to send. Nature's got a way of teaching without books or fancy words, just the rhythm of the rainfall and the singing of the birds.
I could stay here all day long. Let the rain write me a song. When I'm ready, I'll head home. But I'll carry this with me. How the forest made me whole, and the simplest way to be